It's the start of a week and I'm back weekly vlogging. Not that I've ever really started, but I'm starting now. I thought I'd take you along with my week. It's quite hectic at the moment. I'm currently moving apartments, so we've got lots of viewings at ours. We've actually got one literally in an hour, so I need to clean the apartment. And then I'm also viewing apartments. I went yesterday to view an apartment. It was the first apartment where I've been like, I can see myself living here because oh my God, we've been to so many and we've got catfished. The photos online have just not lived up to the apartments at all. Anyone looking for an apartment in London, I feel like you just know the struggles. Like, it's so hard to find all of your criteria. I think our main criteria is like, I'm moving in with my flatmate currently because there's 4 of us in this place, which has been absolutely unreal because we're in one of my favourite places in London, which is Chelsea. I love it. I think it's so homely. But unfortunately, 2 of the girls are moving home, so it's just going to be me and another girl. So we're moving down to a 2-bed flat, which would be really nice as less people, so you can kind of, you know, make the space yours. But we kind of looked all over. I went to Shepherd's Bush to view one, and as soon as I got there, I was like, I cannot see myself living here. I just love West London, like Southwest London. It's my favourite place. So I don't think I should be moving too far. Yeah, so the one yesterday, sorry, we put an offer in, so fingers crossed it happened. Also, update, I got a car, which is super exciting. It's waiting for me at home because it's going to stay at my family home as there's like a parking spot there, whereas in London it's just a nightmare. It's super cute, it's red and it's convertible, and I've always wanted a convertible, so I'm really excited. Really, really, really excited. I'll bring you along my week. Okay team, little life update. It's been hectic. I've done 17,000 steps today. At least I'm getting my fitness in. I got this really super cute crochet like dress. I got it from Thailand, I want to say, like years ago. I'm surprised it still fits. But I think we found a flat. I don't want to jinx it because we've just been accepted, which is insane because apparently there's lots of offers, so over the moon. We just need to like finalise the paperwork and stuff, which is, I need to do that now. I've got these 2 bracelets as well, how cute. I love like a little arm stag. These are from Leviza. It's their waterproof range, so I'll see if it's waterproof. Yeah, and then I went into my agency, I had like an update with them, just about like modelling and jobs and etc, etc. It was good to see the whole team because it's been a while. I've been on holiday, I've been away. What I need to do now, I had lots of PR. Let me show you what Marc Jacobs just sent because it's... Look at this big boy! Wondering what's inside. I've got like this massive... Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this. I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold it. It's so ginormous. Can you see? It's all their makeup collection basically. I was literally so scared because I was in my room just editing and then I had a smash and I was like, wait, what the hell is that? I thought someone was in the house, so I got my umbrella. I was like, I'm prepared. If there's an imposter, they're not prepared for my umbrella right now. I went into like overdrive. I opened the front door. I was like, right, quick escape if they come and find me. Anyway, it turns out it was just the wind that blew over the glass and then it smashed. But it's good to know I'm prepared in these situations. I'm going out with the girls tonight, which should be so fun. It's with Emily, Talia, Georgie, Tess, I think Madison and Gwen maybe, potentially. Big group of us going out to Soma in Soho. Because this is the thing, is now I'm a vlogger, or identifying as one, I need to actually remember to film. I can't help. I'm just so happy about the flat because honestly, just to have a space, and even the decor is like perfect, it's green, which my room right now is green decor. So I can just move everything over and have a change of scenery. It's needed sometimes, it is needed. That's my life update really. Ciao friends. Hello guys, right, what am I saying? It is the next day. I'm sorry you're in like such a weird angle, it's just I don't have any to position you. But I'm going out to an event to see Paris Hilton, which is crazy. She's launching a new fragrance. Just doing the final steps getting ready. Although I'm so annoying. I literally spent an hour picking my outfit. And one of my worst traits is if I don't have... Why is there trumpets playing outside right now? If I don't have an outfit, I will not go, and it's not good. That's why whenever I get in this mood, because I know I get in this mood, and it's especially before it's about to be my time of the month, and the amount of overthinking I do is not normal. I always go for like a really basic outfit because I know, you know, I can't go wrong. So I've just gone for like a black top and a skirt. Putting on the red lip liner, and then I'm gonna go out the door because otherwise I'm gonna miss Paris, and that is the whole point of tonight. So yeah, little life update, but I shall bring you along. Okay,
Number 30 is just so epic. So I thought I don't really have a social battery for anyone else.
Not even me?
No, anyone other than you.
I'm flirting with me.
Yeah.
We saw Paris.
You got a swag photo. Do you want to see it?
Got such a swag photo, but I'm also incredibly underdressed. Everyone's in pink.
I didn't even know.
I feel like that is the side quest of the century.
No, it actually is. And why do I look like the little sister that's just joined in the photo?
It's about time you learned your lesson.
Yeah.
Right. Anyway. As you saw, I just met Paris Hilton. Well, not just, last night. Whenever in my life do I think that would happen? Never. Crazy. She's such an icon and she literally seemed AI in person. I can't explain it. Everything about her was perfect. That's pretty much been my week this week. I'm about to go to a meeting with my social media manager just to discuss a few things, projects, etc, etc. So that should be lovely. We're going to Covent Garden. I just thought I'd kind of touch a bit on change because I feel like with a lot of life changes, sometimes it can feel super overwhelming. I don't know about you, but it feels overwhelming to me. But with change comes so much excitement and chance for newness, which is really, I don't know if newness is a word. A chance for, I don't know what I'm saying. I think that's why I was actually so apprehensive to kind of show more of myself on social media. Oh my god, is this the part I've been waiting on? Please say it is. Oh my god, it is. I'm so excited. I've been waiting on this because they were meant to deliver it, I think, yesterday and I wasn't in. And so it's arrived. It's from House of CB. The pieces I picked out, they're gorgeous, if I do say so myself. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. With social media, sometimes why I'm so apprehensive to share a bit more of my personality is because I'm aware that I'm in such an age where I feel like I just change every week. I even look back at some of my old videos, I'm like, who is that? But then that's the beauty in it, is it's so incredible that we can change and we can adapt and learn and change our views, life perspectives. So I'm being less harsh on myself. Sorry, I'm talking whilst also putting really unattractive faces. Why do they make packages so difficult to get into? Yay! Okay, I won't show everything, but this dress I'm so excited for. How beautiful. It is literally the most perfect black mini dress, but it's just got the most gorgeous detailing. The thing with House of CB, they are definitely on the pricier side, but the quality, it never misses. It never misses. So I'm sure you'll see these on my Instagram at some point because I cannot wait to wear. I have got a few events coming up. I've got a Lancome pool party tomorrow, which will be really fun. And also, side note, I tried out the NARS, their latest mascara, and I absolutely love it. I feel like it's made my lashes look phenomenal. The brushes, are just, man, that was a really quick focus. Good from me, she's improving. Not that it has anything to do with me, it's literally the whole camera, but yeah, I really like the Bristol and the mascara. I like it, basically. I think I'm actually going to leave this video here. So I shall catch you in my next week. I've got a few fun things. I've got a few fun things planned. I'm hosting a girls' night and then a few more events and stuff. So yeah, I'll bring you along and hopefully moving because I think it's going through with the flat, which is so exciting. Anyway, I'm gonna stop speaking. Goodbye.